In this video, we're diving into the 50-30-20 rule, the simple money formula that's changing lives. Let's get started. Did you know that 64% of Americans are living paycheck to paycheck? That's right. Even people earning six figures are struggling to make ends meet. But here's the thing. Financial freedom isn't about how much you make. It's about how you manage what you have. And today, I'm going to show you a revolutionary method that's helping thousands of people break free from financial stress while still enjoying life. But first, let me ask you something. Have you ever looked at your bank account at the end of the month and wondered where all your money went? You're not alone. And stick around because I'm about to share how one person used this simple rule to eliminate $27,000 in debt while still taking vacations and enjoying weekly dinners with friends. Their story might surprise you. The 50-30-20 rule isn't just another complex financial formula created by out-of-touch experts. It's a straightforward blueprint that breaks down your after-tax income into three simple categories: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and debt repayment. But here's what most people don't realize. This rule isn't just about managing money. It's about creating a sustainable lifestyle that brings both security and joy. Let's break this down with a real-world scenario. Meet Sarah, a marketing professional earning $5,000 per month after taxes. Here's how she applies the 50-30-20 rule. First, the 50%, essential needs, $2,500. Rent, $1,400. Utilities, $200. Groceries, $400. Health insurance, $300. Car payment and insurance, $200. Next, the 30%, wants, $1,500, dining out, $400, entertainment, $300, shopping, $300, gym membership, $100, travel savings, $400. Finally, the crucial 20%, savings and debt, $1,000, emergency fund, $300, retirement account, $400, student loan payment, $300. Now here's where it gets interesting, and what most financial advisors won't tell you. The psychology behind this rule is what makes it so effective. Studies show that budgets typically fail because they're too restrictive. The 50-30-20 rule works because it acknowledges human nature. We need both security and enjoyment to stick to a financial plan. Think about it. How many times have you tried to follow a strict budget only to break it within weeks? That's because traditional budgeting often feels like a financial diet, restrictive and unsustainable. This rule is different because it explicitly gives you permission to enjoy life while building your financial future. Here's something that might surprise you. This rule isn't just for young professionals. While it was originally popularized in personal finance literature, it's been adapted for various life stages. Retirees might adjust it to 60-20-20, giving more weight to needs due to fixed incomes. Young entrepreneurs might prefer a 40-30-30 split, investing more in their future. You might be thinking, this sounds great in theory, but how do I actually implement this in my life? Here's your step-by-step action plan. 1. Calculate your monthly after-tax income. 2. Track your current spending for 1 month. Yes, every single dollar. 3. Categorize your expenses into needs, wants, and savings. 4. Compare your current percentages to the 50-30-20 target. 5. Make gradual adjustments until you reach your goals. Here's a powerful tip that most people miss. Start with your 20% savings first. Treat it like a bill that must be paid. This psychological trick makes saving automatic rather than optional. It's like paying your future self first. Remember Sarah? Over 3 years, she managed to build a $30,000 emergency fund while still enjoying weekly dinners with friends and annual vacations. The secret? She automated her savings and treated her financial goals like non-negotiable appointments. Now let's address the elephant in the room. What if your needs currently exceed 50% of your income? This is a common challenge, especially in major cities. Here's where the rule becomes a compass rather than a strict mandate. Focus on gradually moving toward these percentages through strategic decisions about housing, transportation, and lifestyle choices. The digital age has made implementing this rule easier than ever. Most modern banking apps can automatically categorize expenses and set up automatic transfers for your savings. But here's a crucial tip. always verify these categorizations. What an app considers a need might actually be a want, like that premium coffee subscription you convinced yourself was essential. Think of this rule as your financial GPS. Just like your navigation app recalculates when you take a wrong turn, the 50-30-20 rule helps you readjust when life throws you financial curveballs. Had an unexpected medical expense? The rule helps you recalibrate. Got a raise? It shows you exactly how to allocate that extra money without falling into lifestyle inflation. The real secret to making this rule work is understanding that it's not about perfection, it's about progress. Some months you might spend more on needs, others on wants. The key is maintaining the balance over time and using the rule as a guiding principle rather than an unbreakable law. As we wrap up, here's something to think about. Financial freedom isn't about having unlimited money. It's about having control over the money you have. The 50-30-20 rule gives you that control while still letting you enjoy life. After all, what's the point of a healthy bank account if you're miserable getting there? Remember this, money shouldn't control your life. You should control your money. The 50-30-20 rule isn't just a budgeting technique. It's your roadmap to financial freedom and peace of mind. And here's a little financial wisdom to take with you. Live like most won't today, so you can live like most can't tomorrow. Dear friends, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please subscribe, like, and comment. See you soon.